Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what is the Device Health Services app in your Android phone, what it does and whether you actually need it. So Device Health Services is a system app by Google that helps your Android phone manage battery life and improve the performance. It runs in the background and uses AI to understand how you use your device. The app is responsible for the features like adaptive battery, adaptive brightness, and app predictions. It comes pre-installed as a part of the Android system services, and you don't need to install it manually, and it works silently in the background, and it is 100% safe. It's an official Google application designed to improve your phone's performance and battery life. Now, you should definitely keep it enabled, and it is going to help your phone last longer on the battery and makes the daily usage very smoother without any extra effort. So if this video helped you understand the Device Health Services app better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.